All right, now we're ready to plug it all in. I've already got my LAN cable connected, and this particular install for my example here does have cordless phones. So I've got my KXT0155 antenna module connected to the jack that it needs to be on. Next I'm going to connect my telephone lines, and on this particular installation my telephone lines are coming in on just standard telephone cables with a connector already put on the end of it. If you don't have those, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead and get some Cat 5 or Cat 3 cable and crimp your own connector on one end and punch it down to the wiring block on the other end, and you should be good. First easy cord I'm going to use is the one that has two connections on the end of it. You can see one is a little bit longer than the other one. The shorter one is going to be port 1, the longer one is going to be port 2. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in right now to my line card here, my LCOT card. On the left hand side, that's lines 1 and 2. And so I get my line 1 and 2. There's line 1 on the shorter pigtail. And the next length pigtail is going to be line 2. Just that easy. More phone lines, same thing. Get out the adapter cable, connect it, and then connect line 3 and 4 and line 5 and 6. If you have some digital Panasonic phones you're also installing today, you'll have these easy cord adapters in your install kit. And these are different because they have 4 connectors on the end of this easy adapter. And you can see here these are all different lengths. Same thing, the shorter pigtail is the first port, the next longest is the second, the next longest is the third, and the longest pigtail is port 4. I'm going to plug that into my extension card, my DLC8 or my DLC16 card, either one. And my digital Panasonic phone wiring also has these pre-made cables for me, so I'm just going to use those from a previous installation. If you don't have that, then go ahead and make your own cable with a Cat 3 or Cat 5 wire and crimp an RJ11 connector on it. What's important on the Panasonic digital phones is that these wires do need to have all 4 pins connected to the cable, because Panasonic digital phones use pin 1 and 4, not the center 2 wires that some other phone systems use. And so you want to make sure that all your cabling from the phone cabinet all the way back to the wall jack that the Panasonic digital phone is connecting to has that pin 1 and pin 4 wired all the way through. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and connect that to my port 1. That's going to be extension 101. And my port 2 is going to be extension 102. And so on for 103, 104, and any other digital phones that you have today. And that's it.